Today we're going to look carefully at everything you need to do to achieve 79 plus in the listening section of PTE Academic. Hi, and welcome to another lesson on PTE Academic. I'm Sharon, and I'm glad you've joined me today. In this video, I'm going to talk about key points to remember and give you some tips on how you can achieve 79 plus in the listening section of PTE Academic. We're going to do a few sample questions too. This lesson is brought to you by Benchmark Education Solutions, and you can find us on the web at edubenchmark.com. If you click the subscribe button and the little bell, you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Before we discuss how to get high scores in listening, it's important to talk about what kinds of questions will contribute to your listening score. Obviously, the questions in the listening section will contribute to your listening score, but did you know that another section also has questions that will help your listening score? Can you guess what section it is? The speaking section. Did you know that some questions from the speaking section also help your listening score? From the speaking section, you get lots of points in listening from these question types: repeat sentence, retell lecture, and answer short questions. Let's look at these more closely. How will repeat sentence affect your listening score? Before we learn why this question type is important, let's listen to a sample question. Focus on the content of what you hear instead of trying to remember the words that were said. Listen once, then try your best to repeat exactly what you hear.
It's a good idea to eat fruit and vegetables every day.
Did you repeat the sentence correctly? The sentence was, "It's a good idea to eat fruit and vegetables every day." If you got it exactly right, good job. But if you didn't, just remember that you need to practice and train your short-term memory to remember these sentences. To achieve 79 plus in listening, you need to repeat at least 90% of the words in the same sequence to earn maximum points in content. Retell lecture is also in the speaking part of the test, and it also contributes greatly to your listening score. You'll need to repeat most of the important points discussed in the audio clip. The total length of the audio generally ranges from 60 to 90 seconds. You'll have 10 seconds of preparation time, and then you'll have 40 seconds to retell what the speaker said in your own words. Here's an example to help you understand better. Listen carefully and write down all the important points mentioned in this audio clip. Listen for keywords. Those are usually nouns and verbs that will help make the speaker's point clear. English speakers usually stress nouns and verbs when they speak, so listen carefully. When the audio is finished, take 10 seconds to plan what you want to write, and then take the full 40 seconds to retell what the speaker said in your own words. Are you ready? Let's start.
These are the lucky years of cancer research. 2 revolutions in cancer therapy are currently taking place, giving all kinds of cancer patients new hope. One of these, immunotherapy, removes the cancer cells' "don't eat me" signals and allows our immune systems to eat the cancer. The second is precision or personalized medicine, which involves looking at the DNA of the cancer and trying to turn off the driving genes.
How did you do? Could you note down all the important keywords and points? Good job. Now here are some things to be careful of when you take the PTE listening test. Be prepared. Make sure you have your pen and notepad ready before the audio starts. Learn how to take notes. Take as many notes as possible and write down as many keywords as you can. When you take notes, use short forms and abbreviations. Don't worry about writing good sentences with good grammar. These notes are just for you. Nobody else will see them. It will help you get maximum points in listening if you practice writing in short forms like abbreviations. If you use short forms and don't worry about grammar, it will help you gather the maximum number of keywords from the audio clip. Make sure you use good handwriting. You need to be able to read your notes. This is very important. Your notes might be perfect, but if you struggle to read them, you may end up with a low score. Now let's look at answering short questions. How will answer short questions affect your listening score? This is one of the most overlooked question types of PTE academic. Though it looks easy, it plays a crucial role when you're shooting for high scores like 79+. Try this example. Listen to the audio and answer the question.
Which medal does a runner-up win?
What do you think? The answer is silver. Did you get it right? Good job. But if you didn't get it right, just try to say something as close to the possible answer as you can get. When you do this, your listening score as well as your vocabulary score will increase dramatically. This is what you need to do to get 79+ on a PTE academic listening test. Try not to make a single mistake in write from dictation, summarize spoken text, fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, highlight correct summary. And don't waste a lot of time on multiple choice with multiple answers, multiple choice with single answer, or select missing words. Once the audio stops, only spend 10 seconds on answering each of these questions. I hope this video has helped you understand a little better how to achieve your dream score of 79+ in the listening section of the PTE academic test. Make sure you watch our other videos on how to pass PTE. There's more about the PTE academic test on our website, edubenchmark.com. There's lots of help there for you. We have free practice tests, writing correction services, academic coaching, and more. Make sure you check out our exclusive PTE speaking mock test. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.